Easier for me to explain how to set up a Zoom meeting doing this than over the phone. So what you do is you just double click on your Zoom, which this icon you should have on your desktop after you installed it from when we chatted yesterday. If you don't have this, then just go to Zoom, download it, and just save it to your desktop or see if you have it, in your start button or wherever it is. So when you're on this screen, you're just going to click on new meeting. It's easy. It's the one that's in a different color. You click on new meeting. It's going to open this up. Tell it to join with your computer audio. If you need to, my computer automatically has my webcam up, but I remember yesterday you said you had to click something to have your webcam come up. And then what you're going to do is right here, you have the button invite. Click on invite. So this loads up everything. I have a corporate account, so this loads up everyone that has my corporate account. You want to invite through email. So you click on email on the top here. You're going to, you can use whatever you want of these three, whether Gmail or whatever you have. You click on it, and then like in the body of that email, you're going to have everything. I'll actually show you really quick. You'll have all of this stuff right here already in the email. So all you have to do is type in whoever you want to invite. So you type in, and can just click on, type in the email, click on the email. You send that, and that's exactly what I sent to you. You just clicked on that button. They also can join from the ID and password, and you can do that using the free account. The only thing that happens if you're using the free account is I think it's 20 minutes that you get. At 20 minutes, and you'll see right up towards the top of the screen right there where you see the yellow circles, it'll actually give you a timer once you hit like 10 minutes or something like that. When you run out of time, the call will shut itself down. It automatically ends, and then you just have to re-invite everyone if you want to do it again. The nice part, obviously, the corporate account, we were able to talk for an hour without any problems there. But yeah, it's just that easy. And when you guys are done chatting with everyone, you just click on the red end meeting button down there, and you're good. It's really that simple. So you click invite. Technically, you could copy it like the invite or the URL. I've never done that. I always do it through email. I think that's the easiest way. You click on it, type in their email address, send it to them, and like right now, I'm in the call. You can see like right now, this is already in the call. When they join, you'll have the extra rectangle pop up. Technically, since you're the leader of the call, you can also manage the participants too. But it'll pop itself up, and it's that simple.